Okay, so we're going to go to 2.5, measures of the center of data. So the center of the data is, usually we talk about it being the mean or average, and the median. Okay, um, interchangeable between your mean and your average. But most of the time in class we will call it mean. All right, so when we're talking about the mean from the sample, it's pronounced x bar. So x bar means that it is the average or the mean of the sample. We use mu to be the population mean. So x bar is the sample mean and mu is the population mean. And the way that we calculate the mean is to add the data values together and divide by the number of data values. So just like it's just finding the average. Okay, another measure for the center is the mode. Mode is the one data value that occurs most frequently or most often. And you can have more than one mode. So example 2.28, here is our data set for statistics exam scores for 20 students. And the one that occurs most frequently is 72, so that means our mode is 72. You can also have the mode be calculated for qualitative data as well as quantitative. So it just doesn't have to be with numbers. So if your data set is red, 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 green, green, yellow, purple, black, blue, the mode in this case is going to be red because it still occurs the most. All right, so the measures of center data are going to be your mean, median, and mode. Mean is the average, median is the middle, and mode is the most often. In Math 3, you guys talked about the law of large numbers, and the law of large numbers says that if your sample gets larger and bigger, the bigger your sample, the closer your data represents the population. And that is, the way that we can understand that is that the mean of the sample is going to get closer to the mean of the population.